Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to use YouTube cards. You can use info cards to make your videos more interactive. Info cards can feature a video, playlist, channel, or link. Cards aren't available on videos set as made for kids. To add cards to a video, you should follow these steps. Now, I'm gonna show you how. So, I'm gonna use my laptop. So here, we are already at the YouTube studio. Now, on the left side, you can see content. Then, you will select content. Then, just press a video you'd like to edit. For example, this one. Then, from the left menu, press editor. Then, select info cards. And here, you will see video, playlist, and channel. You can add up to 5 cards to one video. For one video, this info card allows you to link a public YouTube video for your viewers to interact with. Playlist. This info card allows you to link a public YouTube playlist for your viewers to watch. Channel. This info card allows you to link a YouTube channel for your viewers to engage with. For example, you can use an info card to thank channel that help with your video or recommend another channel to viewers. Link. If you're in the YouTube Partner Program, this info card allows you to link an external website to share with your audience. You can also add screens to your videos. You can change the start time for the card below the video. And you can add an optional message and teaser text about the video. Then just click save. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!